Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the role. So we already have an server, EC2 servers. So we just create a role for our EC2 server. First we can connect that the EC2 instance connect, and username Ubuntu we can connect. In the role section we create the role EC2 S3 full access. Yes, so we go to the instance, we go to the S3, we create a bucket. Okay, so we can install that. AWS CLI we just install because we are not using the EC2 OS, so that's why it's by default. Okay, so we have to check that the credential. So now I just assigned a role. Okay, yes, change the images, modify the IAM role. So we just use the S3 access. Okay, so now you can check that here is a rule. Okay, you can check that same command. Yes, you can see that our role can access the S3 bucket. Okay, so what we have created. Okay, so here you can check also the role. Just a minute. Yes, S3 access, you can check that the role was assigned. So thanks for watching. So we don't require any username password, so only the role we can use, and that is perfectly working. So thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.